In this video, we will learn long E sound. E makes E sound. B, E. Feet, E. Sheep, E. Seed, E. Teeth, E. Sleep, E. Green, E. Tree, E. 3, E. Some more words with E sound. B, C, heel, seat, jeep, need, feet, deep, feel, free.